What's up, guys? My name is Dragon.
And I am Kula.
This is the Shashibo bowl.
The Shashibo. Okay, so what does it do, Dragon?
The first step, you have to crack it up like a nut. But it's hard.
You crack it open like a nut. Let's see it.
There we go.
Okay.
We have...
And what does it, what can you make with it?
You can make millions of things.
Well, maybe not millions. It says that you can make 70 shapes and possibilities.
You can make the plane.
You can make a plane.
You can make a drill.
A drill?
But it doesn't really look like a drill.
Okay.
But it's fun to play with.
All right, what else?
You can make the fox.
A fox?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And the bear.
And a bear?
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
And the 3 pyramids.
And the 3 pyramids.
Yeah.
Wow. Is there anything else you want to tell your people all around the world?
Look.
Ooh, what is that one?
3 pyramids.
3 pyramids.
And 1 big one.
And 1 big one.
This can do this, but it's hard to make it into a cube, so be careful.
Oh, okay. You gotta be careful, because it's hard to make it into a cube, he said.
And this shape.
Oh, okay.
But you can just take the pyramid, then you can crack it.
Crack them.
But not break it.
Oh, okay.
Just need to figure out.
Mm-hmm.
And you can make the heart.
And you can make a heart. Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, that's all I know.
All right.
So, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to this channel for updates on more toys and more fun and more excitement coming to you, right?
Yeah!
Yeah! All right.